Okay, so this one is Citrus Twist. Now, Citrus Twist just sent an email out saying that they're done with the Kit Club because her husband has had cancer and a stroke or something. So she's going to just be an independent store. She's not going to do Kit Clubs anymore. I think this is the last one. She said November, so I think this is the last one. Or she said the November bill will be the last. I think this is the last one though, but I'm not positive. But I love the enamel dots. You get a stamp set. I pay $35 or so. I think I paid $35 a month for this one, but now not anymore. So it's the hearts, puffy hearts. I love these, and I love the fact they give you numbers. Oh, I just wish more companies did that, because the numbers for me as a project lifer, they're amazing. I need that. And then these are acetate or vellum. These are vellum stickers, so you need to put something in the back of them in order for them to show up. And then this is, let's see, stories. Those are so pretty. I love the bookmarks. The bookmarks are so cool. And then let me put it closer. How cute. Ordinary moments, unforgettable memories. I love these. I love cut-aparts. I love cut-aparts. I love that. It brings out the kindergartner in me. And I love that. So these are single-sided. Yeah, the big ones are always single-sided. I've been using these a little bit more. Trying to remember to use them more often in my project life. Because, well, now that they're no longer a Kit Club, I can probably catch up eventually with them. So, but I was getting these for the last like year or two, and boy, they accumulate. But they're so fun. They have these albums that are amazing also. I love the albums they have. I need to get the bright ones. They're so cool. Okay, and here is the ephemera. I love the ephemera. That is like my favorite thing. Oh, look at the deer. I love the deer. And then we have the 3x4 cards. Home Life. Sweet Disaster. I haven't done an unboxing in forever, so excuse me guys if I either go too fast or don't show it close enough. Wandering and wondering. You know how many people get that wrong when they type? Oh my gosh. That's funny. Simple play. Oh, I love this bright pink. This bright pink is gorgeous. Eyes up, hearts up, moods up. Current mood. New normal. Oh, I love that. That's awesome. Love that design. 1, 2, 3. Oh, love it. Awesome. So that's the Citrus Twist kit, which is no longer. So, hey, I either save 35 bucks or I don't know. It's just, we'll see. Might end up finding something else to use. Now, I told you guys I didn't want to do many videos, so I'm going to do the Cocoa Daisy unboxing as the same one. So, sorry, it will be labeled. It'll be labeled. But I have already a lot to do tonight, so I don't want to not do this. Okay, so let's see. I get the planner add-on, or no, planner add-on. I get a lot of stuff. I love it. Every month I love it. It's Cranberry Rose. I have a loose hair somewhere. Cranberry Rose is the theme of this one. So I get the actual planner now. I love it, you guys. It's the A5. I have been loving it. I pay, how much do I pay? $86, I think. $86 a month. But where do I start? Because you get so much. Oh my gosh, you get so much. So let me see. Here's the pen. Let me see. I love, you always get a daisy on top. Can you guys see that? What, focus? There it is. See? It's a daisy. And you get gems inside. So pretty. Then you always get these little notepads. Love the notepads. Let me scooch it in. Maybe that might help. Okay. So then you get the notepad. And then you also get a bigger notepad that's in here though. What is this? Oh, these are little, oh look, can you guys see that? They're little stickers. Let me see right here. They're like border stickers. They're all snowflakes. How cute is that? Okay, so that's this. Oh, and I love these. You get the paper clips. Love that. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous rose. Washi tape. Washi tape with the rose. Oh, cottage rose. Got it. Got it, got it. I didn't even see this one. And then I didn't know. I don't know. I didn't know. I got an email from them saying I got the Christmas one. And I don't remember ordering the Christmas one. So I'm like, what? So I don't know. I don't know. Oh, this is gorgeous, you guys. Look at the red, too. The red is just, oh, this is so gorgeous. I don't remember ordering the Christmas one, but who knows? Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, look at this artwork. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Wow. Love that. This is the A5 kit. You always get refills. And then you get the notepad. Love the notepads. I love notepads. And then you get these stickers. These are the monthly stickers. I love the pictures coming out on them, which is great. So I love the A5. I've been enjoying it. I've been loving it. So you get your month. This is where I circle my husband's schedule on this side, and then you get 5 of these. 5 of them, I think. Yeah, I think there's 5 of these. And then you get, this is your weekly. So this is your weekly, and you get 5 of these. Then you get your month at a glance. And then you get your daily to-dos. You get a butt ton of these, you guys. I have like a stack that I'm going to be selling of daily to-dos, because I only need 5. I only need 5, and they give you like 25. It's crazy. But yeah, so that's the only bad part about that one, is because I mean, they don't have to change because I don't use them all, but I can sell them and maybe someone else can use them. Okay, so let's see. And then, because I think Christine, the owner, she uses them all. So that's Dory. She's playing. I don't mind. Let's see. She got her new bark box. Oh, look at how gorgeous this one is. Cottage rose, huh? Oh, look at the cardinal. I love when they do these, the ones with pretty decorations on them. So nice. Oh, look at the trees. Remember this. December notes. Important today. They make their December kits non-Christmassy for everyone to be all-inclusive. So that's why it's not Christmassy. I guess maybe I bought it because I wanted Christmassy. I don't know. I don't know what I bought. That's kind of weird. I don't know what I got. So we shall see. Maybe I'll do an unboxing of that if I can remember. And so that's that. Then with the planner, I think the planner add-on, you get this bag. I have so many bags, you guys, and I don't use them at all. So I don't know, but I love them so much that I can't really get rid of them. So, but I don't know what to do with them. So they're just stored all stacks of them. But they're so cute. And look at this tassel. It's like a forest green. It's awesome. I just love this kit. So I really, I don't know. There's only so much I use of it though, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to get rid of it. So plaid, green plaid. Is that plaid? I think it's plaid. Let's see if we can see it. Yep, plaid. And then, oh, look at, oh, you get 2 of them. You get a forest green and like a teal, like a deep teal. Love that. I love getting enamel dots, which are glittery. Love that. Ooh, back is hurting. Okay, let's see. Let It Snow. How cute is that one? Love these. December is the most wonderful month of the year. Oh, that's cute. Love that. Seems like the picture quality is really good right now. One kind word can warm 3 winter months. Oh, how cute. Then they have these. Wait. Let's see. Okay, so we have December watch list, personal goals. I hear so much about Hallmark movies. I've never seen a Hallmark movie, so I'm not sure. Just like, how do you watch it when you don't have cable? I don't know. But I'm kind of curious. Does that matter? Then I'm curious. Okay, so that is, I believe, the planner add-on. Yeah. Planner add-on, A5 planner kit, and then this is the Traveler's Notebook, which I'll tell you what, guys, I'm going to be selling all my Traveler notebooks by themselves because I don't use them. And I have a stockpile of them. I have this much. Seriously, this much of like 2. Before they were Traveler's notebooks, they were the regular, like Dory's. Yep. I have so many of them, but I don't use them, so I'm going to be selling them. So sad. But I really I can't use them. So here is the stamp set, Snowflakes. Ooh, I love when we get doubles. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love when we get these. I loved them when we got them in Citrus Twist kits too. I love these things. I use them on my PL all the time. These chipboards are awesome. That's Kit Kat snoring. She has a cold, so she's even more congested. So let's see. Get more. I love these ephemera pieces. Love these. Oh, I love using these. I've been using these in my PL, not so much in my planner, because they've been working out really well for my PL. Aren't those awesome? I love that. Love this so much. See, yeah, this is just awesome. So perfect. And then these, oh, see, I've been using these acetates. Oh, they're so awesome. No, vellum. I keep calling them acetates, but they're vellum. So it's a snowflake vellum. And then this is the Traveler's Notebook. So I gotta make sure I label them right. Oh, so I love them so much. So I just don't, oh, I love them. I just don't know how to use them. So that's why they're all brand new and not used. I hate that. But I'm not a journaler at all. And I like PLing or doing A5 or standard size Dory layouts, but from scratch, you know, from scratch. So I don't know what to do with them. So that's why I'm kind of going, I can't use them. The alpha set, oh, it has no numbers. Bummer. Bummer, bummer. Yeah, no alpha sets. And then you get these, which is, you get double-sided. They're double-sided. So I love, so you get 2 of each. And you get 6 total, I believe. Let me back you back out. Hold on. Okay. So, you should... So cute. I love these. I love these a lot. I keep these because they're amazing. Very, very nice. Oh, so pretty. Look at this. This is just beautiful. Is that not? Oh, love that. Oh, so gorgeous. And then you get the little sheet that helps you plan. It's a sketch too for the traveler's notebook. So you get a sketch. Isn't that cute? I love that. Okay, so that is everything from Cocoa Daisy. Planner add-on, A5 planner, and with 5 rings. What was it? I think it's 5. No, it can't be 5, right? 6. 6 ring binder, and planner add-on, A5, and the traveler's notebook for $86 a month, I think. Yeah. So, alright guys, take care. I'll see you all next month. Bye.